LiftmyCV AI is a brand new tool that's making waves in the digital space. If you're looking for a game-changing AI software that promises to elevate your CV and job application process, you're going to want to stick around. In this LiftmyCV AI review, we'll break down the 7 crucial things you need to know to see if it's the right fit for you. And by the end, I'll share how you can try this software for completely free, so make sure you stick around. Let's dive right in. First off, LiftmyCV AI is designed to help job seekers create standout resumes and cover letters with the help of artificial intelligence. The software analyzes job descriptions, identifies keywords, and tailors your CV to match exactly what recruiters are looking for. If you've struggled with formatting or understanding the right way to pitch your skills, this tool can definitely help. It's all about creating a document that speaks directly to the job you're applying for. But what really sets LiftmyCV AI apart is its ability to optimize your CV for applicant tracking systems, ATS. If you've ever submitted a resume online, chances are it's been scanned by an ATS before a human even sees it. LiftmyCV ensures that your resume passes through these filters, increasing the chances it gets noticed by hiring managers. One of the most impressive features of LiftmyCV AI is its simplicity. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. The interface is clean, user-friendly, and intuitive. Just input some basic information, and the software will generate a professional, tailored resume in minutes. If you're in a hurry or just don't want to waste time formatting, this is a real time saver. LiftmyCV AI also offers a cover letter generator, which is a huge bonus. Cover letters are often overlooked, but they're essential in making a good impression. The AI helps craft a personalized letter that highlights your skills and experience relevant to the job, which gives you an edge over other applicants who might not put that extra effort in. Another great aspect is that LiftmyCV AI offers real-time feedback and suggestions for improvement. You don't just get a finished resume, you get a tool that continuously improves your document by pointing out areas for enhancement. This ongoing feedback ensures you're always putting your best foot forward when applying to new positions. The best part? You can try LiftmyCV AI completely free. I highly recommend giving it a go and seeing how it works for your specific needs. The software is brand new, and it's gaining a lot of attention for being one of the most innovative solutions in the resume building space right now. So why should you care about all of this? Because in today's job market, having a professional, optimized CV is more important than ever. This software is not just about looks, it's about helping you land that interview faster by ensuring your resume is up to par with what employers expect. If you're serious about your job search, tools like this can give you a big advantage. To recap, LiftmyCV AI offers tailored resumes, ATS optimization, cover letter generation, and real-time feedback, all in one simple-to-use platform. If you're still unsure, the best way to experience it is by trying it out for yourself. Use the first link below to get started with a free trial and see how it works for you. Also, make sure to check out the recommended AI tools I've linked in the description after reviewing thousands of AI softwares. They're all tools that can help you save time and maximize your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.